right, so we are getting ready to do another episode of Dre Trades. I don't even know what you call it, but we about to do another episode of it. Hell yeah. The Dow, the NASDAQ, the markets for the most part, incredible week all week. Today, we thought there was going to be a little bit of pullback, and there was some pullback. But look at the NASDAQ. Look at how it's just powering through. People want, and the price action this week is incredible. And I know you look at it like, oh my gosh, we're too high. We're up 10%. You almost got to just ignore that. Maybe we supposed to be somewhere where we just haven't reached it. I don't know, but the price action is saying, buy, buy, buy. I don't want to do it like Kramer, buy, buy, buy. But very bullish price action. So today in this video, we're going to talk about some of the stocks that reported yesterday, and that's Roku, GoPro, Alibaba, Square, and TakeTwo. So we're just going to look at their charts. Don't know anything about the fundamentals, but GoPro. So check out that GoPro video that dropped this morning. I gave you that one a couple of weeks ago, and it was up 25% today because they blew out the earnings. It is pulling back, so I'm a little concerned, but it's still up about 16%. But that's going to be the first video that we look at. So let's look at the heat map. Yeah, here it is, the heat map. It looks just scattered, right? It just looks like you could, everything, a little bit of everything. Just sprinkle what's hot and what's not and throw it all over the market, because that's what I see, basically. I don't see the big boys running. Maybe, yeah, I guess diagnostic healthcare, a little bit of healthcare. J&J's up nice. Walmart, P&G, yeah, Visa, Berkshire, so just a little mixture of everything. So, all right, let's go ahead and get into it. Let's look at stock number one, GoPro. All right, man, here it is. It was an excellent trade. I liked it. I'm going to pull up the weekly, and you can see the drawing. I put this line right here, right? I said it. Oh, man, wrong drawing. This line right here, I said it in this morning's video. I said this is probably going to come up and reach that line before it gets a pullback, which was resistance. And sure enough, if I zoom right in on that, you can see it's right there, man. It damn near tagged it perfectly. So yes, it's natural to come back, but I do think eventually we go higher. If you look at the minute chart, I really kind of don't like the way it's traded. It kind of gapped up and just, I know it's into resistance, but so what I did is, yes, I sold my options. But I am long on my buy and hold portfolio. All right, I'm just gonna keep selling puts against it to actually try to own it. Probably right now, I think I'm in the 6 puts. Now I'm gonna probably, when that expires, go ahead and flip that into the 7 puts possibly. I don't know. I'm kind of staying way out and just kind of leave the crumbs on this one. But I do think GoPro has the ability to go a lot higher. I mean, just from this day, which is October 5th. Right up to the high today was 94% move in 28 days. So yeah, it could take a pullback. But hey, pull out the monthly. Look, long ways this thing could actually run. I'm not saying it's going up to the highs way back here, but a lot of open space right there. All right, so let's go. Hey, for more on that video, go ahead and check out the GoPro video this morning. All right, and don't forget to like this video, guys. I need you to like it. This is good stuff. Roku, man, let's check out Roku. I'm not really a trader in Roku. I should. I mean, look, the thing, all it does is go up. Gosh, man, this thing is incredible. Here, let me get a better line. From the March lows up to now, it's up 343%. Wow, this thing just knows nothing but how to go up. Wow, look at the gap up. Look how it's holding, unlike GoPro, who gave up on it. On days like this, when stocks do this and you want to get high, oh, man, the weekly looks absolutely wonderful. Notice how it came down, right, and damn near tagged the moving average, right? Just like here, right? Let's go ahead and do it. I'll go ahead and draw them, right? Just like here, right? And almost there. It wants to go higher before it actually reaches it, and almost giving you an outside week, because today is Friday, over multiple weeks, 1, 2, 3, over the last 4 weeks. That is very bullish. I think this goes higher. I can't trade it because I know this is a stock that I just don't trade well in. I don't trade well in the Roku. I don't know why. But anyway, how I'll trade a stock like this, of course, we want to pull back. I mean, this thing's up 12%. But one of the ways that works for me is buy over the high. I know it's crazy. Yeah, you're buying high, but let it kind of do its rumble and go sideways and do whatever it's going to do. And then when it starts to go up, it has to go higher than there, right? And then you're in right there. Okay, so that's what I would do with Roku. And you'll find out that that's what I would do with most of these type positions where it just takes off and run. Alibaba. Let's see what the 15-minute is doing. Now, the thing about Alibaba, I think this was an excellent buy-in opportunity. Was it here or was it here? This gap down, I believe Jack Ma, what's that company that's coming out? Basically, they had to hold the IPO with something. For some reason, the thing dropped like 10%. I think it was a gift. If you was looking to get into the stock, it was a gift. I think this was the day. Let me just go ahead and do a measurement on that. I don't trade it. I'm not really into the Chinese stocks. Yeah, down 10%. And look, from that day to now, it's already up 6.52%. So they gave you a gift. It's totally rejecting the move. Possibly, I guess, going up to fill this gap. I think it goes higher, right? So they reported, and it opened up, and it's going higher. It's just that simple. Let's look at the weekly, right? And yeah, I actually just like it right now. Here it is. It broke out, pulled back, right? Doesn't want to come in and actually touch, but it did its pullback. It had that nasty day, down 10%, and it's spitting that in the face. It's like, it's just throwing that out of the water. It's like that didn't even happen. And people are jumping back into the stock. Look at the volume, washout week. So Alibaba, I like to go higher. Hey, I didn't add Peloton to the list. Let's go ahead and bring that stock on because they reported yesterday as well, and it was great earnings. I think you could buy Peloton 127.23. This thing is kind of going up and down, in and out of positive territory, in and out. This stock is hot. The earnings is incredible. I mean, these guys is making money. They got high quality problems. They can't get the equipment out. That's high quality. And still making money. Subscriptions are doubling. I kind of dabbled into the earnings. I can't remember exactly everything that's going on, but this thing opened down and then it shot up and then it came down. And you can see I got the fib. I was like, when is this thing going to turn around? And I tried to make a play right here and got stopped out. So looks like the 78.6 was the turnaround on this one. But I like it to actually go higher over time. I was trying to do a quick trade. It didn't work out because I thought that was going to just take this one off into the sunset. But let me get rid of these drawings, right? I've been a big fan of the stock. I remember the last earnings report, they sold this off 20%. It was up at 100 and then boom, down 20%. And look what it went up to 140, which is a 40% gain. This one, they didn't sell off, right? So if you kind of relate it to last earnings, it's kind of telling you something. Maybe they don't want to sell it off. People want to get back in. By the way, the sickness thing, we're getting more cases, record cases every day. So this is one of those stocks that will keep going higher as long as that keeps happening. And I think you can get in. It's up. Yeah, it's only up 0.4%. It was actually down about 2% today. So not bad. You can get in. Stop below these lows, right? There it is, right? There's your stop. See if it rides higher. Nice little consolidation. So you're going up, right? Consolidate sideways. It's holding that level to go higher. So yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. I like Peloton. Let's pull up Take-Two. This is a stock that I was in a while ago, way back here, and then I got out somewhere around here. I actually rode this wave. See, I got lines all over the place. You can see the old inverse head and shoulders. Totally played it right here. Rode that up to basically the 180. I got out I top ticked it. It was a perfect trade, and I haven't looked back ever since. And remember how I was talking about the other stock? I forgot the name of it. Was it Roku? You could just buy over the high. See how it's just going sideways, all this chop, and it's about to go all-time highs. This could be a perfect buy point for it to go higher. You can get in now because I like I like this chart. I like the way this looks. These stocks, man, they are painting a picture of wanting to go higher. I am just trying to figure it out. It's unbelievable. But there's your inverse head and shoulders on the monthly. It's just breaking out. This thing has a long way to go. You got the PS5 coming out in a month, or was it this a couple of weeks? And same with the Xbox, new generation. Hey, I like it. I like this one a lot. Actually, out of all the stocks that we just looked at, I like this one a lot. So there you have it, man. Tell me what you think about these videos. And hey, you could tell me in the comments. You could like it. That's going to tell me without even telling me. If I have a lot of likes, I know you like this video. And to kind of get these kind of videos, because I basically drop videos just about every day, subscribe, hit the bell, do all that and like it, because there's a new sheriff in town. And his name is Dre Trades. Do you remember what was the name of that movie, the Eddie Murphy movie? Gosh, I can't think. He says there's a new sheriff in town. And his name is Reggie Hammond. 48 Hours, I just remembered. Yeah. So anyway, tell me what you think. Appreciate all comments, and we can talk about some of the stocks you're trading. Just put it in the comments below, and I'll bring them up in a video. All right, thanks for watching. This is Dre Trades. I'm on Instagram, Dre Trades. I'm on Twitter, Dre Trades, and right here, Dre Trades 2 on YouTube. Thanks for watching. I'm out. Peace.